Do you have videos that look grainy, old, or just bad quality? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix that in basically one click. We're going to go through 4 types of footage: upscaling, denoising, deblurring, and restoring. And the results are pretty crazy, so let's dive in. Alright, so let's start with upscaling. Here I'm in VideoProc Converter AI, and I want to go to super resolution. Then I will import my video, and I will be using this video. Let's make the screen bigger, and now you can see on the left side is the video I have now, and on the right side is the after. So you can see the before and after of this video. On the right side we have the settings. Here we can select the device we want to use for processing this video. Then we have the AI model, and there are 4 AI models which you can pick from. Now for this one I'm going to use Real Smooth V3, and under the model you see some information about what it does. Then I will make sure to select high quality mode. And in the scale, we can select the scale. So we can select from 2 times, 3 times, or 4 times. This is a 720p video, so I can go up to 3 times, or we could just basically select the resolution. So let's select 4K. I want to make a 4K video out of a 720p video. And if I zoom in on this video, you can see the difference, the before and after. Let me zoom in here really close so you can see it really good. On the left side is the before. You can see how blurry that looks, and on the right side is the after, and look how sharp that is. Now this is just the first video. Then we have the export settings, and here you can set all the export settings for your video. I'm just gonna leave it as it is. I'm gonna keep it as MP4, and then I will select the folder where I want to output this. Now let's also do the other videos so we can instantly export 4 videos at once. The next video I'm going to use is a video that has some noise, so I'm gonna take this video and import this into my screen. And you can see this video is shot at night, so it has some noise. Again, on the left side is the before. You can see it's a bit blurry and it has some noise, and on the right side is the after. And for this one I'm gonna select a different model. So let's say I want to use the Gen Detail V3. In the description you can see it has deblur plus denoise. That is exactly what we want. I'm also going to make it 4K, so I'm going to leave all the settings as they are. Because we are batch processing these videos, I can also do the third video. So let me import the third video, and this will be the deblur video. You can see this video is blurred out. This is too much blurred out. Let me move this a bit to the front like that. And you can see on the left side is the video. This is the original one, and on the right side is the new one. And I'm gonna keep it at Gen Detail V3. I think it looks really sharp on the right side. And again, we're making a 4K video out of a 720p. And now for the last one, I wanna take some old footage where I see some faces of people that I wanna upscale and restore. So this is the last one. On the left side is the before again, and let me move this a bit forward. And on the right side is the after, and you can already see the difference. I'm gonna use the AI model Gen Detail V3. You can already see the difference. It's pretty good. By the way, VideoProc Converter AI also has image AI. There are some new face models that can restore faces really good. I'm gonna show that in another video where I'm gonna show the image models. For this one, we're just gonna do videos. Now all we have to do is export all these videos at once, and we can do that by just clicking on run, and it will batch export all the videos. And all we have to do is wait and look at the results. And now let me fast forward this, and let's look at these results. So that's 4 ways to rescue your old or low quality videos, all inside one tool, and basically just with one click. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.